Hey everybody, it's Rebecca with you from Hood Time Welding. Today we're going to be working on this gaming chair. What happened was one leg broke off and it needs to be, I epoxied it back on so it's still there so I can sort of, when I'm doing it, can see. So what we're going to be doing is making a plate for the bottom and then two on either side. Weld that all together because that's going to help it so it doesn't flip back up and fold again. We'll end up putting a bolt through here, and then probably two through here. So it's a little something different. Just trying to save it. It's still in good condition other than that. So, as always, if you like what I do, please go ahead and subscribe and follow. Thanks. Let's get going. Got the pieces cut out. What I have is a piece of 3/16 for the bottom because that's the side that's going to want to bend up. And then for stiffeners, I have some 18 gauge. Now you might have noticed me pounding on it on here because what it is, I don't know if you can see it, there's a slight curve to follow that leg. And it's going to keep the slight curve when I put these in. This is what's going to stiffen it up. So when there's pressure on it, it's not going to bend back. So what we got to do now is we got to go through and get it all fit together and get it welded up. After I get it welded up, I'll throw two screws in the back side here that go all the way through to the base. And then the leg itself, I'll have two screws going perpendicular to these ones. So everything will hold together and keep it on. So let's go ahead and keep working on that. So there we go, she's all fixed up. The wheels had fallen off, so actually what was happening was this centerpiece was hitting first. That's why I had to go ahead and put these screws in to even it all out so no one side would hit at once. But I think that should hold pretty nice. You can see it's bolted right through the thick part. And then I've got two bolts up here holding it. So something a little fun, a little different. So as always, if you like my content, like I said earlier, go ahead and subscribe and follow. Thanks.